is. All right, good job, Mike. Thanks. Appreciate it, brother.
Look at him now.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. There we go. Lake Erie steelhead, glistening with her purple and greens. On my signature little green and white jig, same thing. Okay folks, so I'm going to retie here. I'm going to put a new leader on. I'm using 8-pound main line here at Berkley XT, of course. But I'm going with some Drennan fluorocarbon. I'm going to use 4-pound leader. I was using 6, I got 1, but this water's pretty doggone clear, so I'm going to go down to 4-pound. Okay, so we're just going to go with an improved clinch here. So once again, like I said, I use my ring finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it back through your main loop there, where you hit your finger through, then back through the top loop. That's it. Grab it from this side, give her a little finagle and pull. That's it. It's your improved clinch. Little clippers. Clip it off there. Then on the end of my leader here, I'm going to tie on a green. I had a white and green on there. So I'm going to go a little bit bigger of a jig here. I believe this is a 1/64th. But same thing, improved clinch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Through your loop, back through the top loop, a little bit of spit. That's it. Knot looks good. So we'll see if a lighter leader and different color work here. And then once again, I'm going to hook on some maggots here. Go through this whole process, we might as well. I'm only going to go with 4 here. Bring them right through the back. The 2 little black dots on there. Get a little closer here so you can See that? You see these maggots got a couple little black dots on them. Just go through there. It kind of keeps them wiggling on there. So let's put it out. Let's see what happens. It was bringing. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah. Oh boy.
Hey. I was watching that thing.
I know, I was too. I was just talking to Mike, but I look over, my bobber goes under.
You need to do that more often.
I know, not pay attention. That's how you get them. That's what they go to school for, you know.
I had one. I was watching a boat and the rod started jerking. Isn't it amazing the stamina they have?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Why can't we have that?
I did when I was 16.
Well, when I was 20 years old. You'll be different.
I know, man.
Don't drink too much. No, we got all day.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it, brother. I'll take him right out of the net
Hey,
here.
how about a little credit for the net guy?
Good job. Good job, Joe.
Nice,
Right.
nice fish.
There we go.
Nice job.
Nice little male.
What's he weigh?
I don't know. This isn't a scale.
Oh,
Yeah, it's just a lip grabber.
okay, do that again.
Nice male.